Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back. I have some diamond paintings to show you today, and they are from NewCraftDay. I've had them for a hot minute and I've needed some time to record, so let's get into it and let's show them to you. All right, here we go. All right, so first up out the gate, this little cutie. All right, they all come with a toolkit such as that, and their drills packaged like this. There's a number on them, K2192, K2192. And when you order these from these places, when I order, I have to make sure that I put in that number, because otherwise I'll get, something different. Who knows? Anyhow, look at her. Isn't she adorable? You know I love my owls. It's been a hot minute since I've done an owl. But I love them. They're so cute. Look at her. She's winking at us. Hey, baby. And she's got her glasses on. She is styling. Look at all these special drills here around there and around the flowers in her bow. I love it. Love it. I'm guessing we're going to have some stars too. So it looks like there's 7 probably rhinestones and 1, 2, 3, 4 special drills. She is so adorable. Makes me want to do some owls again. I've got quite a few to do. I just love the owls so much. Speaking of birds, looking out my front window, and there are chickens in my flower bed. They don't belong there. Bad chickens. All right, here's our rhinestones. Pretty pink, a clear, a purple, a gold, a brown, another pink, and a green. Oh, look there's our stars. They're purple. Love those purple stars. Yay. White pearls, little white pearls. Love these. AB coated marquees. They're purple. Oh, they're so pretty. And then we have larger pearls. Love that. Okay, she's adorable. She is adorable. Need more time in my life. More time in my life. But it's summer, and I have to be outside doing stuff. Speaking of summer, how summery is this? Look how pretty that one is. That's gorgeous, right? Has 10 different drills. Little legend on each side. Look at all the special drills. Look at the 9s. Look at the little 7s here. The 10s. Gotta be something else. Where's 8? Where is 8? Oh, up here. Making flower petals. Flower petals, flower petals. They're so pretty. I love it. All right, let's look at the drills and see what we get. What do we get for this one? What do we get? What do we get? It's always a surprise. I feel like I'm opening Cracker Jacks, There's always a surprise in the bottom of the box. All right, so here we go with some more purples and pinks and gold. This is like a clear, maybe a little grayish to it. This one's definitely gray. A pretty teal. Okay, look at those flower petals. Those are beautiful. That's for the purple one over here, up there. And here's the pink ones. They're going to go over here and make those flower petals. Oh, the purple comes down here too. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Wow. And then red. These are like a teardrop. Got AB coating on them, so they're iridescent. Love it. Love, love, love everything about that. Like I said, it is so fun to get the special drills. Love them. Okay. Next, I have to go through my special drills again. I have so many now. Next, we had to get a gnome, right? We had to get a gnome. Look at his special drills. Around the flower petals here and here. Big ones there. Some little green ones there probably. Where's A? Where is A? A. I found B, C. I don't know. Let's look and see what we got. It's got 8 rhinestones and 5 special drills. He just says it's sunny days. All the sunflowers. I loved him. His hat is a sunflower, right? And he's surrounded by sunflowers. This looks like a ranuncula. I tried to grow those once. It didn't work out well for me. All right, here we have them. Clear, orange, gold, pink, green, brown, orange, like a salmony orange, blue. That's a light gray. Oh, that's a beautiful, beautiful teal. All right, so here is A. Where's A go? It's got to be A. No, that's B. Okay, that's all these flower petals. Look at those guys right there. How come there's only, oh, there's not. There's 2 bags of them. That's going to be these big ones right here. That's cool. Okay. Then we have some green ones. That's those leaves. And then we have the little ones for the smaller sunflowers. Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. All right. All right. I didn't see E. Did I see E? Where's E? A, B, C, D. I don't see an E. I don't know. I don't think there's an E. Am I crazy? No, I don't think so. Well, I didn't have drills for E either. Oh, yes, I did. They're right here. I don't know. Okay. We're not going to fuss over that too much. All right. Something in a box. Something in a box. You know, stuff in the boxes are fun. I love that they're doing that. I'm telling you. It had to happen. Eventually. Had to happen. Oh, I remember this one. Another toolkit. Here's a base. Take the film off. Both sides of it. Here's our drills. Oh, yeah. I remember this. Ah, this one's so cool. This one I might have to keep. I don't know. Maybe give to my daughter. I don't know. Look at it. It is a guitar and sunflowers and butterflies and peace, baby. Just peace and love. And it's so cool. I love this one. Special drills around the flower. And some go on the butterfly. Special drills on the sunflower. There's some here on the guitar. There's some other ones on the guitar. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. It's so bright and colorful. I love this one. I love that. Let's look at these drills. I knew I was going to like that one. I knew it. I just knew it. All right, what do we get? Here we go. A pink, a blue, a brownish gold, an orange, a gold, green, brown, purple. There's our rhinestones. Then we have these gold faceted marquees, sunflowers. There's those blue ones for the flower and on the butterfly. And here's some rounds. Those are going on the guitar, and the golds. The blue and the gold go on the guitar. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. All day long. Love it. Sorry, I'm crinkling more than normal because I'm putting the drills back in the bag as I go. It just makes my life easier. Anyhow, here's this guy. He's so pretty. And then we got a fun little gnome for summertime. We got some summertime flower jam. And then we got this girl. She's so cute. I love her. She's probably one of my favorite. This one and this one, these two. What is your favorite? Tell me your favorite in the comments below. And thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you return. Check out my channel. Check out all the things that I do. I got some crochet segments. I've got a book talk. My Down on the Farm, that's going hot and heavy right now. Summertime is really when we kick it up on the farm. The farm. Anyhow, please hit the like button and notifications and share videos and comment. Then check out coffee. Buy me a coffee. Okay? You can buy me a coffee for like, a couple bucks. And then I'll spend it on stuff like yarn. Anyhow. All right. Thanks so much, everybody, for your support. We have reached 8,000. I'm going to work on some little giveaway for my 8,000 subscribers. I think that would be nice, don't you? All right. Stay tuned for that. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you all real soon. Bye.